Padharo Mare Des everyone. Welcome to Rajasthan. I am Mala. I am a great Indian bustard. I am one of the birds endemic to India. I am the heaviest flying bird in India. I have more than 30 different names in various Indian languages. One of my 30 names is Who because this sound is similar to the one produced by cow. We make this sound during monsoon. I am happy to tell you that I am the state bird of Rajasthan where you are right now. I live on these deserts with the blackbug, the chinkara, and the lark. I eat grasshoppers, snakes, small fruits, berries, and all sorts of insects. But my favorite diet is grasshopper. We are considered a benefit to farmers like the ladybug because we eat insects and save crop. When it starts raining, we mate. We don't believe in building nests, but we have a special trick to protect our eggs from predators. The egg looks like a stone. Monitor lizards, snake, eagles, etc. are enemies of my egg and chick, but mothers like me protect the egg from them all. By the time our eggs hatch, rains arrive. At this time, there are swarms of insects, fresh food for my family. Young ones of other birds fly away, but our chicks stay with their mothers for nearly 1 year. The chick learns many good habits from the mother. Dr. Salim Ali wanted my species to be declared as the national bird of India. But that status went to our beautiful relative, the peacock. I used to live all over India, but sadly our numbers are falling. Our eggs breaking, pollution, being hunted for fun, electric lines which we can't see while flying, roads, solar panels being deployed in large areas of desert and grasslands are the threat to us. There are now 200 of us left. We need your help and support to live. During medieval times, the kings used caracals to hunt us. In 2013, the government of Rajasthan initiated a project for us. 3 years ago, India created a world record of incubating 9 eggs successfully. In Rajasthan, there is a ban on hunting me and my friends, the blackbug, the chinkara. I hope there is a ban on killing nilgai and other animals.
Woohoo!
Edward, wait. Edward, were you aware that you were going to trample onto the wheat fields? Due to this, emus are nuisance to Australian farmers. In fact, there are many Australian animals that are nuisance to people. Dingoes because they eat sheep, wombats because they cause damage to farms, kangaroos because of their high numbers. Let me tell you what happened. In the past, when thylacines roamed Tasmania, they used to eat kangaroos, but the people of Tasmania used to graze their sheep near territories. Due to this, the thylacines turned away from kangaroos and began to eat sheep. Not realizing their fault, people of Tasmania complained to Tasmanian government who encouraged the people to hunt the thylacines. This went on and finally the last thylacines became extinct in 1936. During that decade, the Australian government called the military to cull the emus that were migrating through the farmlands. Fortunately, the emus won. If you want to live, stay away from the wheat fields.
Right, let's be safe in the jungle.
Back in the past, dodos lived only in Mauritius. Though they made sounds like a turkey, they were from the pigeon family. They had been on Earth since the Cenozoic era. They survived on berries and other plant materials such as roots. Just as owls and ostriches swallow pebbles for digestion, the dodos used to eat stones for digestion. Mauritius was like a paradise for dodos. Berry trees, no humans, and no predators. Due to this, dodos evolved to be flightless birds. But there was a danger that arrived towards the end of the 16th century. The Europeans who sailed to Africa, Asia, and the Americas to establish colonies reached Mauritius. The dodos, being flightless, were an easy snack for the Europeans. Their eggs were also cooked. The Europeans also brought with them animals like dogs, pigs, rats, monkeys, etc., who spread diseases and destroyed the dodo eggs. Being caught for food, conflict with external species, destruction of habitat and eggs caused the dodos to become extinct. This went on, and as a result, The last dodo became extinct in the 1680s. Had the dodo eggs been left untouched or taken for incubation, followed by captive breeding of the newly hatched dodos before releasing them into the wild, there would be dodos still among us today.